Hi, I'm Sadanand Acharya. We are a kitchen consultant facility planner based out of Mumbai. Our company name is SA Design. We help our client into getting a proper kitchen solution and commercial kitchen setup. So the session was very informative, and especially what Pune Gas has briefed about gas being an important role to play in any establishment, let it be a restaurant, let it be an institute or anything. The major importance is, but obvious, it has to be safe for all who's working around, and being safe, it has to be viable for the customer and end user, so that there is no leakage or pilferage of any commodity or essential, which can lead into saving of cost to our clients. As we speak of standardization, and especially what you have briefed today on the segment of gas, if you are picking up that segment as gas, like your LPGenius product, what you have done, it's a start of a standardization, I can say. It's a solution which is actually a standard which needs to be incorporated, so that it is a best solution for every entrepreneur to make sure that whatever he's spending, the ROI comes out to him, and after the ROI, the machine is free for him. So that's the best part of it, which I liked it, and at the same time it's safe and very economical.